galaxy of learned intellectuals, colleagues, friends, teachers, and dear blooming students. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with his adverb clause of time. Principal clause, one sentence, principal clause, subordinate clause, that is adverb clause. Okay, subordinate clause में हम adverb clause को ले रहे हैं, and adverb clause showing time, time को show करेगा. Some of the connectors I would like to write. देखिए, before, after, till, until, now, no sooner than, when, as, just as, while, whenever, these are the connectors. Okay, conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions. Since, as soon as, just as soon as, okay, so long as, as long as, these are now connected subordinate conjunctions, right, showing time. These now words will show time. So adverb clause showing time. Let us learn. कैसे देखिए, you may come to me. आप मेरे साथ, मेरे पास आ सकते हैं. एक वाक्य है, you like. Two sentences are here. You may come to me. आप मेरे पास आ सकते हैं. You like, आप चाहते हैं. Okay. Two sentences to be combined into one using adverb clause showing time. टाइम शो करते हुए adverb clause का हम प्रयोग करेंगे. ले लीजिए, whenever you like, जब कभी भी. Whenever here, now whenever you like, this is your adverb clause, and this one principal clause, complex sentence. क्या निर्माण होगा? Complex sentence. Principal clause, subordinate clause में adverb clause showing time. अगर है तो बन जाता है complex sentence here. Example you may see here. As soon as नहीं, पहले हम इसको इस तरह दिखाते हैं. Okay. He heard the noise. One sentence, right? He heard the noise, one sentence. He came out. Next sentence, दूसरा सेंटेंस है he came out. two sentences are here to be combined into one complex sentence. He heard the noise. वो आवाज सुना. He came out. वो बाहर आया. जोड़िए. As soon as he heard the noise, okay, कमा यहाँ दे देंगे, and he came out, combined into one. So here you see he came out, principal clause, and as soon as जब ही वो आवाज सुना, त्यों ही वह बाहर आ गया. In this sense, as soon as जब ही त्यों ही, okay, he heard the voice, वह आवाज सुना और बाहर वह आ गया. This is adverb clause. Whole of the structure, that is complex sentence. पूरा structure complex sentence होगा. Here, there, you are combining two sentences, more than two sentences. You may combine using adverb clause showing time. He entered. He entered. वह he entered. He entered the room. वह कक्ष में प्रवेश किया. One sentence. Next, it was 10. ये 10 बजा था. It was 10. Two sentences. Okay, to be combined. As he entered the room, so it was 10. यह 10 बजा हुआ था. He entered. As he entered the room. Adverb clause, and this is your principal clause, complex sentence. As ज्यों ही वह कमरा में प्रवेश किया, means showing time. As क्या शो कर रहा है? ये जितने भी हैं सभी टाइम शो करेंगे. देखिए, as जैसे ही he entered the room, वह रूम में प्रवेश किया, जैसे ही means showing time. It was 10, या 10 बजा हुआ था. ओके, यहाँ पर आप when का भी प्रयोग कर लीजिए या just as का प्रयोग कर लीजिए. जब, ठीक जब, when, as he entered the room, when he entered the room, just as he entered the room. Adverb clause showing time, and it was 10. Principal clause, complex sentence. बन रहे हैं. Complex sentence बन गया. Okay, you may see here, as he entered the room, it was 10. 10 बजा हुआ था. Two sentences. अलग से भी देखिए. The officership begins. One sentence. ऑफिसरशिप पर शुरू होता है. ओके, others open the door for you. दूसरे लोग आपके लिए दरवाजा खोलते हैं. तो ऑफिसरशिप begins. Two sentences here. Okay, to be combined into one. कौन कैरेक्टर लगाएंगे showing time? When. जब the officership begins when others open the door for you, right? When, ये portion adverb clause showing jab means showing time, adverb clause of time, and this is now principal clause, complex sentence. I slept soundly. गहरी निद्रा में मैं सो गया. One sentence, right? It was raining. वर्षा हो रही थी. Combine these two sentences into one complex sentence using now adverb showing time. I slept soundly. While means jab. While I slept soundly. Two actions taking place together. Okay, parallel to each other. I slept soundly. जब मैं सोया, गहरी निद्रा में सो गया या गहरी निद्रा सोया, उसी दौरान it was raining. While showing time, adverb clause. Adverb clause, and this is your principal clause, complex sentence. While जब दोनों कार्य क्रिया साथ साथ घटित हो, या सोने का काम इधर वर्षा होने का काम, तो while का प्रयोग करेंगे. राइट? You did not call me. आपने मुझे नहीं कॉल किया. One sentence, right? You did not call me. You left me for Delhi. New Delhi. आप न्यू दिल्ली के लिए चल पड़े. तो to be combined into one, two sentences. Okay, to be combined into one. Using adverb clause showing time. You did not call me. नहीं कॉल किए. Since जब से. Since means जब से. You left me for New Delhi. New Delhi के लिए आपने मुझको छोड़ा. तब से, तब से. Since here जब से, तब से. You left me for New Delhi. Now adverb clause time बता रहा है. You left, since you left me for New Delhi. कब से? जब से आप दिल्ली के लिए रवाना हुए, चले गए. You did not call me. मुझको नहीं पुकारे. Means here this portion of principal clause, and since adverb clause showing time, complex sentence. It is the whole of this structure is known as complex sentence. ये complex sentence बन गया. There you are learning how to combine two sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause of time or adverb clause showing time. अभी हमने आपका प्रयोग दिखाया था. Just as he entered the room. Just as he entered the room. अभी प्रयोग करके देखे थे. कामा it was 10. ठीक जब वह वो कमरा में प्रवेश किया तो यह 10 बज रहा था. So this is principal clause and this one now adverb clause showing time complex sentence. अभी आपने देखा था. The train had left. गाड़ी छोड़ चुकी थी. The train had left. Okay. दूसरा सेंटेंस. We reached the railway station. रेलवे स्टेशन हम पहुंचे. Two sentences here. The train had left. Okay. तो जोड़िए. Train had left. We reached the station. तो before. ये आपका past वो परफेक्ट टेंस है. आपने पढ़ चुका होगा. The train had left. गाड़ी छूट चुकी थी. Before we reached the station. Before से पहले had verb third form का प्रयोग आप परफेक्ट टेंस में पढ़ चुके होंगे. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में. We reached the railway station. रेलवे स्टेशन हम पहुंचे कि पहले ट्रेन छूट चुकी थी. तो before we reached the railway station. Adverb clause showing time. Before पहले means time, showing time, and the train had left the principal clause, complex sentence. Before और after को क्या था? After आप पढ़ चुके हैं. The patient, मरीज, died. The patient died and the doctor had gone away. The doctor had gone away. Doctor जा चुका था या went away हम कर सकते हैं. Went away करिए. Two sentences here. Doctor went away. The doctor went away. Went away. ये past indefinite है. यहाँ पर भी past indefinite है. लेकिन past indefinite, patient died, past indefinite. The doctor went away, past indefinite. लेकिन हम perfect करेंगे. कैसे? How? Doctor died after. जब after लगेगा तो had verb third form लगेगा. तो this one जोड़ दिया, combine after doctor had gone away. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में पढ़ा होगा. आफ्टर के बाद हैड वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. बिफोर मीन्स पहले हैड वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में, यानी हैड वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. राइट. हियर यू सी टेंस में आपने पढ़ा होगा एडवर्ब क्लॉज शोइंग टाइम एंड दिस इज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. नाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. होल ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर is now whole of the sentence. It is complex sentence. Complex sentence. You are learning to combine two sentences or sentences into one complex sentence. How to use using or how to use adverb clause of time. Just we are learning. देखिए, वेट फॉर मी, मेरा इंतजार करिए. वेट फॉर मी, आई रिटर्न, मैं लौटता हूं. टू सेंटेंसेस आर हियर. वेट फॉर मी, वेट फॉर मी हियर. टू सेंटेंसेस टू बी कंबाइंड इनटू वन using adverb clause of time. देखिए, till I return, मैं लौटता हूं तब तक. wait for me, मेरा इंतजार करो. here principal clause and till I return adverb clause of time. Adverb clause showing time. Complex sentence. Next, don't sleep, मत सो. Okay. One sentence. I come back. I come back. मैं वापस आता हूं. Two sentences to be combined into one using adverb clause showing time. Okay. Until का प्रयोग करके हमने जोड़ दिया. Until. Don't sleep. मत सो. कब तक कि नहीं, जब तक कि I come back, मैं वापस नहीं आता हूँ तब तक सोते रहो. Until के बाद इधर नॉट नहीं लगेगा, इधर आप लगाए ही हैं. तो don't sleep until I come back. Now until I come back, adverb clause showing time. तब तक जब तक कि नहीं means time. And don't sleep principal clause, complex sentence it is. So just dear, you are learning to combine sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause showing time. Time show कर रहा है. Okay. He saw me. He saw me. One sentence. Okay. He saw me. One sentence. He ran away. he ran away. Second, next sentence, he ran away. Combine into one sentence using adverb clause of time. No sooner did he see me. Right? तो आपको तोड़ दिया. No sooner did he see me. Right? Then he ran away. वो मुझे देखा ही नहीं कि भाग गया. वह भाग गया. तो नो सूनर और दैन का प्रयोग में देखा. नो सूनर दैन यहाँ पर आया है. नो सूनर दैन. नो सूनर के बाद डेड लगाएंगे और वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म. तो नो सूनर डिड ही सी मी देन ही रैन अवे. राइट. तो नो सूनर वह देखिए आपका adverb clause and this portion principal clause complex sentence. दूसरा प्रयोग देखिए इसी का भाई. No sooner did the thieves. No sooner did the thieves see the police then they ran away या escaped away. पुलिस को देखा ही नहीं कि वो सब के सब चोर भाग गए. देखे भी नहीं कि चोर सब के सब भाग गए. Right, you are learning. Yes dear, you are learning the uses of adverb clause for the formation of a complex sentence or for complex sentence. You are combining two sentences, right, using adverb clause of time. So one sentence here, he is here. यह वहाँ है. One sentence here, I shall look after him. Two sentences here to be combined into one. He is here, वो यहाँ है. I look after him, मैं उसकी देखभाल करूँगा. Right? देखिए, to combine as long as या so long as long as he is here. As long as he is here, I'll look after him. जितना देर तक वह यहाँ पर है, I'll look after him. मैं उसकी देखभाल करूँगा. So long as जितना देर तक he is here, I'll look after him. I'll look after him. Principal clause यहाँ as long as, so long as, showing time. तो adverb clause showing time. Right? Complex sentence here. Strike the iron. One sentence. It is hot. Strike the iron. It is hot. लोहे को पीटो. It is hot. यह गर्म है. तो to be combined into one using while. While का प्रयोग आ चुका है. Strike the iron while it is hot. जब तक यह गर्म है तब तक इसको पीटो. Right? While adverb clause showing time. And this portion now principal clause complex sentence. While का प्रयोग बहुत अच्छा है. ये कहावत के रूप में प्रयोग हो रहा है, होता है. तो just you are learning to combine sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause showing time. एक और कहावत है आपकी, make the hay make the hay, डायरेक्ट लिखता हूँ, while the sun shines. You know, while the sun shines, adverb clause, and this is now principal clause, complex sentence it is. Okay. Next, each and every. Now connector has been used. ये आपका सेंटेंस कनेक्टर है, सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन है का हमने प्रयोग किया है. द, देखिए डायरेक्ट करते हैं, द सब्जेक्ट टीचर. द सब्जेक्ट टीचर has, the subject teacher has entered the class. Subject teacher has entered the classroom. Classroom में विषयाध्यापक का प्रवेश किया. जोड़ दिया हम. Now he would teach the students. तो वो विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाएंगे. तो now he would teach the students. Adverb clause अब. Ab now means adverb clause showing time, and the subject teacher has entered the classroom. Now principal clause, complex sentence. Okay dear, these are the means adverb clauses. These are the connectors or subordinate conjunctions have been used to combine sentences into one complex sentence using adverb clause of time. Adverb clause showing time. Wish you all the best and brightest. And thank you.